This is John with Chest Freezer Cold Plunge, and I want to introduce my friend Alighta, who was kind enough to let us host the Plunge XL at her place. She has this beautiful garden space for us to put that plunge in, and she just had her first experience in the plunge this morning, and she told me something that seemed to be kind of interesting, so I'd like you to listen to her just talk a little bit about what was going on before she did the plunge, and then what happened afterwards.
So most of my life I've had really low blood pressure. When I went into menopause, it started spiking anywhere between 180 over 100 to 145, and took it just to check it out beforehand, and it was at 165 over 95. We did a 15-second one, and then because I was a wussy and
Yep.
couldn't stay it.
All good.
And then I got in again and did a minute, after which I naturally warmed up in the sun, went in, rinsed off with cool water, put on some clothes, came out, took my blood pressure, and it was 145 over 90, which never happens that fast, and I usually have to take something in the natural world to get it down. So it'll be an interesting thing to follow to see if doing it regularly will get my blood pressure naturally down, if it's all about inflammation.
Well, that's a significant thing for a one-off time, but we're going to continue to, Alighta's going to continue to plunge on a regular basis, and we'll check in a week or a few weeks and maybe months down the line, and we'll see what continues to happen for that. So thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.